Hi and welcome guys. Thank you so much for being here again. So today we'll be going with the same section with a new website specialized in geodomains. So our website today is geodomaintools.com. So yeah, you will just go to your browser and type in GeoDomainTools.com, and here is the home page of the website. So we'll just go down and just click here. You can just check all the things they have here included in the website. You will just go to try it now, and we'll go down just to check from here, and we'll just type in our niche or our keyword right here. So we will just type in the niche here, tattoo removal as example. You will just select the country, then the TLD will go with .com. If you want the niche to be at the start of domain name, you can just check this box. Otherwise, you can just keep it like this. If you want the city at the beginning or at the start, then the niche at the end. So we'll just click check availability right now. And as you can see, here are the results. So you can just go one by one and check if they are available. Let's check albany.tattooremoval.com. We'll just click available. So yeah, as you can see, it's available. So you have just to double check if the population is more than 100,000. As I said in the last video, normally the GoDaddy appraisal should be like more than 1,000. So when you are negotiating with the potential buyer, you can ask for like half price as a discounted price, something like 500, around that. But I think even $700 is like a great estimation to negotiate with the buyer and sell like a domain name in a few days with something like 300 or between 300 and $500. So yeah, you can just check other domains until you find the perfect one. So this website also is a great one. You can just check them one by one and just check if there are many end users from Google and from other websites, because we need to contact them, like to try to sell our domain name to them. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. It's very simple, very short. So you can just check all the options right here in the website. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you got some value from this video. If you have any questions or any doubts, as always, you can just reach out to me. I have my social media accounts in the description below. So thank you so much for being here once again. See you in the next video. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.